There's another delicate cases. Just 3-unit bridge we fabricated. Another 7-star here because of that. Not only this is, we make the really thin as possible. So this kind of things we made a 2-unit. And here's just sticking out the facially. Case a single 6-unit side view. Other side. Yeah, that's good. That's the denture. So we're trying to make the slip to anterior area.
We want to increase.
Right. That's good. Follow the CJ side view.
Let me see. Increase.
That's good. Okay, side view.
That's the much we increase.
Alright, so that's the CJ. Other side too. Good and straight. 3-unit bridge, 6 fingers. There are 2-unit bridge as well. 2 Syton 7-star case. Unfortunately, we have to add with the facial cover with the long span due to aesthetics. So this is a reality. Let's make the all 7 so we can match here. And the other case was incisively facial is out. This is case will be. Another delicate cases. Just 3-unit bridge we fabricated. Another 7-star here because of that. Not only this is, we make the really thin as possible. So this kind of things we made a 2-unit. And here's just sticking out the facially. Okay, look at this all wrinkle contours. Has great opacity. I'm using the 3Y from the B&D company. Same opacity. It's a chrome cobalt framework. before we fabricate it with, from this doctor's information, from the STL file, and of course we have to make the verification jig. Here's another try-in. So PMMA, we had a problem here in the little long span, so that's why we fabricated this. Alright? So not only that, we have to see the facial contour too, so we're more protected. Now we're trying to make this more micro layering, just like facial area. Okay, you see the all even. Yep. Right now it is great example for number 9, which is implant side is out. Even though trying to bring it in with the multi-unit angle screw channel, but it's not working well. So we're going to make the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like I promised it. So here is the finals, frustrations, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip here, which is here. Alright, it's very unique cases. It's monolithic entire occlusion, chrome cover with porcelain. There's no composite involved. See, 3 unit here, 2 unit, single, 2 unit, and the doctor will want to put some temporary over there composite 3 unit. Now it's ready to go. I'm going to protect really well about the occlusion. Here. Okay. Case after cement, the 1 implant we're going to slip, like I mentioned earlier. That's awesome. Perfect. Now we can send it to the doctor's office. There's just great aesthetics. And then doctor, we're going to put some composite over there. Here's the implant. So total 5 implants. And then we give them some night guard. Alright, thanks for watching. This is my video.